Okay, did this little zone board the other day, and I had the yellow and the G one terminal too high on this zone 2. Now zone 1 was correct, as you can see. Zone 2 is now correct. So I just wanted to thank the viewers and the critics and the other techs that watched my videos and noticed it, that would have presented a problem this spring. Now obviously I don't think this was affecting us in the winter time, so I just came back to do a recheck on her, make sure everything was okay here. And after looking closer at the video, I noticed a couple of the comments were correct, that I had those 2 wires incorrect. So thanks to the watchers that were kind enough to leave the comment, I was able to come back and correct it before it ever presented a problem. So I appreciate all you guys watching, and I do appreciate your comments.